need you for? Why can't we just
pushed
have
the
your
button.
car?
I pushed the button. I'm George Jetson. I pushed the button.
They knew each other for 3 months and they decided to get married.
Okay, to be fair,
What?
they met in February. They started dating in February. They got engaged in June, and they got married today.
I'm with you. I think I was with my wife for 5 years before we got married.
Yeah.
I think that's how long she put up with me before she put her foot down and said, "You need to ask me to marry you."
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We were a year and a half, but at that point, I already had kids and
we were older. Like these guys, they're 20 and 21.
Oh, how long do you give this wedding? 6 months?
6 months.
That's what I just said.
Yep, 6 months.
And our son, he's a friend of our son's, and my son
He's
is
like
20.
our son because he lived at our house forever. And
Right.
And I'm like, dude. When he told me this, I said, did you fall down and hit your...
He did say that.
What did he say?
I did. He's like, no. Because he's that stupid. I'm like, dude, what's wrong with you, dude? You can't get out of your own...
In the meantime, our son... So what's funny is, our son, that's his friend, our son and his girlfriend are the ones that introduced them.
Oh, okay.
And our son and his girlfriend have been together for 5 years. 5 years.
Right.
And Joey's like, don't get any ideas.
He's saying, your son's saying that to his girlfriend?
His girlfriend.
Right.
They've been together for 5 years, but...
Yeah, don't get any... I said, fucking rush on this shit.
Well, I mean, again, because they're also the same age.
Right.
You guys have plenty of time.
But him and her, at this point, I wouldn't give a
Right.
Dude, you literally knew this, 6 months?
Before you're getting married, right?
And you guys decided. I'm like, dude, what the with you, dude?
Their first date was in February.
I literally asked him, I said, dude, you must have fell down and hit your head or something, dude, because I'm his boss, and also he lived with us for a bit and all this shit, and he's been my son's friend forever, so he's just part of the family or whatever.
Right.
But, yeah, I'm like, dude, what's wrong with you, dude?
Whatever, honestly.
And he married a girl that's other half the family's Spanish, Mexican.
Hispanic.
Right.
Whatever. She's actually keeps him in line. And
Yeah,
he needs
but
that.
I'm just telling you. Oh, yeah, she did a good job when he got his DUI right after we found out they're getting married.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, but he didn't.
And then you're doing what I do. And my dude, do you it?
Oh, absolutely.
It's kind of uncomfortable to me.
So are you on a version 3 computer?
I just got a brand new 2025 F-150. It's a hybrid.
Oh, you're on the Blues Cruise.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're on the Blues Cruise.
He doesn't know. You're speaking Greek to him. He
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
know.
So
you have a Ford. You have a Ford.
Yes.
Yeah, I only tried it twice on the freeway, and then you put your turn signal on, and the car goes over by itself. I'm like, holy shit.
Well, then your mind is going to be blown when we get to this turn up here, because I'm not going to turn.
He's literally don't have his hands on the wheel at all.
He's going to start doing a dance routine for us.
But my truck feels like it kind of wavers a little bit.
Right.
If I'm
Kind of a little.
If I'm drunk and I put that on, I'm going to look like I'm drunk. You know what I mean? Every now and then it'll show the red or the orange on each side when you get close to the lines.
Right,
like,
so it's doing a little this, kind of little.
Yeah, a little bit, dude. I'm like, that ain't gonna work.
Yeah, this car wants dead center. It's dead center.
Yeah,
so
it looks like it.
It's gonna turn on the signal probably right in here is where the signal's gonna go on.
So did this come with the car, or is this
no? You have to buy it. You have to buy it. So signal's on now. So just turned on the signal.
So what do you mean you had to buy it?
The software.
Called?
You have to buy the software. So
for all Teslas?
Yeah, the software is available. So this is the car, by the way.
Yeah, the car just did all that shit.
Yeah.
It's $100 a month or an $8,000 one-time purchase.
Oh.
For the car to do this.
Okay. So what the fuck do we need you for? Why can't we just have your car?
I pushed the button. I'm George Jetson. I pushed the button. And I had to buy it, so I figured
$8,000 or $100?
I bought it for $6,000 back in 2019.
No. Did you do for this?
Yeah, he's $8,000.
Oh yeah, I bought it. I bought it for $6,000 back in 2019.
Oh.
I got it back in 2019.
What happens when we get up to these squiggly lines on the road?
I'm telling you right now. Look at his hands.
There we go.
Down, drives. My truck does the same thing, and it freaks me.
All this is doing is encouraging people to buy expensive cars and then get in there and push the button and drive drunk.
Right. Here's what I'll say about that. Can the car get you from point A to point B with you intoxicated without you getting a DUI? Odds are very, very high. Okay, like it should be able to do it because I mean it's done this entire trip, right?
Right. I know. He's talking with his hands.
Just is having a conversation here. So, but the thing is when the car makes a mistake, because it will make a mistake. Like it's not perfect yet, but it's getting really, really good. So it's gonna wait for this Jeep. It's gonna wait for that car. Make sure it's all good, and then it's still going. Right?
Freaking me.
Really need to have your faculties with you when it makes that mistake.
Right.
And
So,
yeah.
the other day I was telling my wife, my truck, I got the backup screen with 60 degrees over top.
View, right.
Yeah. And I can see everything, and I'm backing up into my parking lot next to a trailer. I'm not even. And all of a sudden, it just.
Beeping and braking.
Well,
Yeah.
it beeped and then it slammed on the brakes.
Oh, jeez. Like, we're not even close.
Yeah, I'm like, can that happen if I'm driving down the highway and nothing happened?
Right.
Yeah, that made me a little more leery.
Little nervous, yeah. I get that for sure.
Dude, this is cracking me up. You drove us here all the way with no hands on the steering.
I am a little disappointed in the dance routine I got out.
Oh, here, we'll try to get, we'll do a little flossing from Fortnite, you know?
Yeah.
We'll do a Fortnite floss on you.
So why doesn't yours tell you have to have your hands on the wheel? I heard
So there's a camera right here monitoring my eyes to make sure that I'm paying attention to the road.
Oh, as long as you're not sleeping.
And as long as you're paying attention to the road, then, yep, that's all that matters.
Because mine didn't ever do it, and then one time I put it on that, and I took my hands off the wheel, and it started telling me.
And it goes, put your hands on the wheel.
Yeah, put my hands on the wheel. I'm like, never happened before.
That's insane.
There we go.
Yeah, look, see, he's doing some jazz hands.
Jazz hands.
I love it.
Here we go.
Yeah, it'll turn itself.
Well, I'm going to give you a really good tip, but I want you to give it to this car.
Oh, I absolutely. The car Kit here gets all the money.
Dude, they asked to buy batteries for this mother.
$15,000.
No.
And I'm probably about. Well, I'm gonna hit the warranty in January, so the warranty's up. Oh, you made a mistake. This is what you got to tip me for. Is I had to do this part.
Now the car's out and you're in. Okay.
But with your batteries, can you warranty them through those?
The new batteries I buy will come with a new warranty.
No, but I'm saying, can you buy like a car
extended warranty? I don't know.
Car shields or any of that.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't ever looked into it because they're warranted for 125 automatically, but I'm going to hit that in probably January because I'm at 107,000 miles so far. Yeah. But they're averaging 200K, so I'm not too worried about it because I'm just setting aside money for that.
When you have to do it.
Yep, for sure.
All right, brother.
All right, my man.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your night, guys.
You too.